Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using Jamovi. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I am going to discuss how to perform Friedman test. In Jamovi and its interpretation, you can find more videos on data analysis using Jamovi, SPSS, RStudio, MS Excel, econometrics, statistics and mathematical economics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now let's understand the meaning of Friedman test. Friedman test is used when we have repeated measures. When we have repeated measures and three or more groups. Three or more groups. Now this Friedman test is a non-parametric test. That means normality assumption is not required. Normality assumption is not required. So when we have three or more groups, these groups are repeated measures. They are related with each other. In that case, we can use Friedman test. So basically, Friedman test is a non-parametric alternative to repeated measures ANOVA and an extension of Wilcoxon sign rank test, because when we have two repeated measures or two related groups, we use Wilcoxon sign rank test. So that is the idea of Friedman test. Now let's understand this with the help of example. Suppose we are interested to know the effectiveness of three diet plans. So here we have three diet plans, diet A, B and C. We are collecting the data from 12 respondents. We are recording their weight loss in terms of kilograms after each diet A, diet B and diet C for 1 month. So here we have the data. So we have three related groups and therefore we can use Friedman test. Now what is null hypothesis in this case? H naught. H naught says that there is no significant difference in the effectiveness of three diet plans A, B and C. An alternative hypothesis says that at least one diet plan is significantly different from other two groups. So that is the idea of null and alternative hypothesis. Now let's understand how to perform it. So first you go to analysis. In analysis we have the option of ANOVA. In ANOVA, in the non-parametric category, we have repeated measures ANOVA Friedman. So you select this. Now move all three groups to measures box. So now we have the result of Friedman test. You can see the chi-square statistic is 9.23. Associated p-value is 0.010 and this is less than 0.05. Since it is less than 0.05, we reject H naught and we conclude that at least one group is different from other two groups as far as weight loss is concerned. But which group is different from others, that we cannot identify with the help of Friedman test. For that we need to perform pairwise comparisons. So let's see. Now you select pairwise comparison and then select descriptives. So here we have the pairwise comparison table. Now let's see the difference between A and B, diet A and diet B. The associated p-value is 0.026. It is less than 0.05 and therefore A is significantly different from B. Diet A is significantly different from diet B as far as weight loss is concerned. Then we have A and C. associated p-value is 0.221 greater than 0.05. That means this difference is not statistically significant, therefore diet A is not significantly different from C. And then check B and C. The p-value is 0.001 less than 0.05. It is statistically significant, and therefore diet B is significantly different from diet C in terms of weight loss. So this is how we compare the different groups, and from this comparison we can identify that A is different from B and B is different from C, but there is no difference between A and C. So that is the idea of Friedman test. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.